Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Alice, Midway, Alice Acres, Van Bold, Paleto Blanco, Ticalote, Rancho Delaware, La Marita, and Lake Alice. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.